You may have seen many wood shredders, but today let me introduce our prototype fully hydraulic biomass shredder. Designed for biomass fuel preparation, it can process a wide variety of materials, including forestry residues, wood processing waste, pulp, and other wood materials. Optimized specially for power plant fuel production, the machine delivers high efficiency, uniform output size, reliable performance, and easy maintenance. Equipped with a crawler track system, it can travel and operate directly on rough outdoor terrain, making on-site processing more efficient and flexible. Go where there are roads and where there ain't. Save a forklift and save a laborer.